Hi, my name is Adriana, and I first started going to Touchstone Chiropractic because I started having a lot of neck pain, which radiated all the way down to my shoulders, by my shoulder blades. It wasn't like a very painful experience, but it was like a gnawing, irritating pain. So then I decided to look up the closest chiropractor, and I found Touchstone Chiropractor. Since my first visit, Dr. Robert Zuniga took some x-rays, and then he told me that I had neck subluxation. The treatment was 3 times per week for 6 weeks. Then after that, 2 times a week for another 6 weeks. And now I'm doing just one a week. And since January, I can honestly say that my pain, or that like irritating sensation, has definitely diminished. I don't feel it most days, and when I do feel it, it's mostly like a mild discomfort. So if you are having any kind of neck pain or back pain, I do recommend Touchstone Chiropractic. I'm so glad that I found Dr. Robert Zuniga, because now I'm able to drive comfortably, sit for a long period of time without having to be bothered about the pain. So I'm just really happy that I found this place.